Alright, good morning. So it's a day at sea. We just went to had brunch at sea. I didn't take the camera, but I ordered the same thing I ordered last time, steak and eggs. I had the fried chicken too this time, and some grits, and some bacon, and some other stuff.
And
I ordered everything
we got something.
What did you get?
We didn't get everything. They turn around the
You didn't get
camera.
everything?
No.
You want to show them?
We got... It's a towel!
A towel!
Yeah!
And Rain has gotten over her fear, guys.
Yeah!
She's no longer afraid. Amazing! Everybody who's proud of Rain, comment below. She's finally not afraid of the towels. Amazing. Which is why, as parents, we intentionally pushed her on the towel, or pushed the towel on her. Because she had to get over her fear. And the easiest way to get over her fear was to go at it head first.
And Grandma took the elephant off.
Grandma took the elephant off.
Yeah.
What in the world is she talking about?
No, well, I took it apart. Remember?
Oh,
I took it
okay.
apart to show her it's only towel.
Right. So Grandma showed you that the elephant towel was just a towel.
And then we saw the elephant last week.
And then Grandma took that same towel and she wiped her butt.
No!
She did. She did.
No!
Yep. So that's it. The girls are gonna go and hang out in a camp for a little bit while it's daytime. There's not a whole lot of kids' activities.
And then Grandma and I have picked her up.
Yeah, and then we'll come back and pick you up. All right. So let's go to the bathroom, Rain. Go pee pee.
Okay.
We'll see you in a little bit. And Royce, do you need to go pee pee?
She's making us like the elephant.
No? Okay. Alright, so we'll be back. Guys, it's a day at sea. And the waves out there are crazy. It's some crazy looking waves out there. So the whole boat is rocking. There are some people getting sick. I don't think it's terrible. I don't feel any kind of way. To me, it's a little bit shaky, but it's not bad. And if you were one of those people that are bad, now's a good time to take a little what's it called? Motion sickness medication, take a Benadryl, drink some ginger ale, you know, whatever works for you. I don't think we need anything. We're all good here, but it's a little bit wavy out there.
The towel's safe now?
Yes, the towel has always been safe.
Yeah. And the people wrapped you in the bed right behind you.
Right. So the camp on this boat is on the 9th floor. And the one that they go to is right here. Let's go, girls. You ready to play with friends?
Yeah.
So, go wash your hands.
He said his name is Raider Owen Brown.
White.
What?
Go wash your hands, Rain.
I kept saying Brown. No!
Yeah, go Raider Owen White.
Marlon, you want to show us where we go to wash your hands?
Alright guys, so Rain and Royce are in the camp. So me and my mom are about to hit the casino for a little bit. What I had not vlogged, because I never do vlog in a casino, you can't, it's illegal. So I actually went to the casino about 3 or 4 nights in a row, and I would be there for about 2 hours or so. I mainly played blackjack. I did play some slots, and I actually did really well. So I want to show you guys how I did. So check this out right here. These are my winnings so far. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. There's another 75 there. And actually on my card from playing slots, I got another 300. So that's like, yeah, I got, counting what I put in, I'm up like over $700. So I pretty much paid for this cruise, like all my expenses and the kids. I made a killing. Let's just say I pretty much paid for this cruise just in gambling. So I'm gonna go attempt to pay for my next cruise by gambling a little more. And my mother wants to go play the bingo because she wants to be able to pay for her next cruise too. So yeah. Also, we picked these up. This will be number 7 in terms of you pick these up as early as you can. I wish we would have got an earlier one so we can get off the boat as soon as we can. There's no point and staying on the boat late on the last day because they keep making announcements. It's very annoying, so it's not even worth being on the boat. It's not enjoyable. You might as well get off the boat. We used to try to stay on the boat as late as we could, me and Jasmine, but we realized that that's a complete waste of time. Anything else?
Yeah,
oh, also today is the day to redeem your free drink. So you get these for being a gold member. You get your pin. So, and then you get your drink, your appreciation drink. They really kind of get you because you have to use it on the last day of the cruise after 5 p.m. So there's a good chance you'll forget and you'll lose this paper. So there's one for me and there's one for Rain, aka 2 for me. How they screwed that up, I don't know, but I will be very happy to have her drink for her. And lastly, Jasmine purchased this. So just like I told you guys, you can purchase the alcohol, which we bought the bottle of Bacardi. Jasmine purchased this. Is this? Let me see. Yes. So this is a. Does it say on here? Oh yeah, 1 pixel. Okay, so this is a gift that Jasmine purchased, and I'll tell you what it is because it doesn't really say on there. So basically, is this it? No. So basically what it is there's a package for $100. You can get 5 pictures plus a canvas, a really nice size canvas. If you buy the individual pictures, it's about $20, I believe $25. But if you buy the package, you'll save a little bit. So you get the canvas pretty much for free, and the canvas is pretty expensive usually anyway on these cruises. So she purchased that. On this boat, you can't get all the you don't get to see all the pictures digitally on the app, on the Carnival app, because this is the oldest boat in Carnival's line. So you got to do it the old-fashioned way of you go up to the floor with all the pictures, and then you choose your pictures and you give it to them and you just pay for it that way. So I can't take the camera in there because they think that you're trying to take pictures of the picture, so you don't buy it. But that's basically how it works. But yeah, again, you can't take the camera in there because they're gonna think that you're trying to get over. And if they would have let me take the camera in there, I would be getting over on them. I would 100% take pictures of the picture, and I wouldn't buy any. So very smart, Carnival. Guys, another little cruise tip that I want to let you know, because now I've encountered it the hard way. Normally on the last day, well, the last like 2 days, we usually take 7-day vacations, so we usually send like 2 bags of laundry to be wash, fold. You know, we have 2 kids, so we don't like to be washing and folding clothes if we don't have to. So I just called to see if I could send some laundry, and he said it's past the deadline. Basically, the 10 a.m. on the last day is the deadline if you want to have your clothes washed and folded and brought back to your room, in order for you to get it in your suitcase and put your bags out tonight. So just so you know, as a tip, if you need to get your laundry done, if you're looking to have them do it, it's 10 a.m. on the last day is the deadline. I have missed that deadline, so I will be washing and folding my clothes at home. If I'm lucky, maybe Jasmine will do it for me, but maybe. You had lollipop the other day, so they decide they want a little candy. It's a long story, but I'll explain why later. That one? Alright, we could do one of those. Okay, alright, hold on. So we got some candy here. So here's the thing. As you see, the time on the iPhone says 8:30. Our dinner time is 8:15. And I did not realize that our iPhone reset to Mexico's time. Because if you look at the time, the ship's time is 7:30. So we went to dinner an hour early. So they said, hey, your table's not ready. Come back in a half hour at least. So we're like, what do you mean it's not ready? But they say you're still on Mexican time.
And then we had to go back and then we could sit down.
Yes, that's pretty much it. We have to go back and then we can sit down. So we had to kill some time, and the girls, they were all upset because they were already in the dining room. So Royce was basically falling out. You know how she rolled, clear the table Royce. You know, 0 to 60 Royce, as we call her, the Royce. So I had to get her some candy to calm her down. So she looks pretty calm, right? And My mom went to redeem her free drink. Well, Rain's free drink. So that's about it. So we're just chilling outside the casino right now, and we're gonna have dinner in a little bit. So that's how we ended up in a candy store, guys.
Can get some food.
Yeah. Are you hungry?
Yes. See my tummy?
You hungry? Let me see your belly.
Yeah, the tummy's sad.
Your tummy is sad?
Yeah. When the tummy will be happy.
Oh, okay. So after you eat, your tummy will be.
And then when puppy rolling the tummy.
All right then. That's a lot of information. Thank you, Rain. Guys, so she went to redeem and pretend to be Rain. So what happened?
So when I went to the bar, he asked me, he said, you're not old enough, because I went to collect Rain's free drink.
And you had Rain's card.
So I had Rain's card, so I had to give them my card, but they give it to me free.
Oh, okay. So they were still cool,
Yeah, they were.
and they let you have it. But he knew that you were not Rain.
Yes, he knew that I was Rain.
Okay. All right. Well, free drink is a free drink. Salud. You got bread? Yeah, your friend is here. Yeah, we got bread.
Oh, you got bread?
Bread. Don't get carried away with that butter. What's that? Your friend? They love this waiter. He's been so nice to them. And we got our, since they always, yes, he gave you 2 hot dogs in your bun. Since they always eat the hot dogs and leave the bun, the waiter's so good that he automatically gave them 2. Now that's good service. And we got a prosciutto. That looks good. They loved him.
Leave them.
Leave them here. You'll babysit.
Yeah, I'm gonna take care of them.
Oh. You say
When they're
goodbye.
coming back, when they'll come back next week, I'll be here next week, okay? Daddy's gonna bring you here next week, okay? You gotta sleep now.
All right. So that was our last day. It was a day at sea on a Carnival Fantasy. All in all,
And then
we had a good
And
time.
then we got the cookies.
They got cookies from the camp. There was a party at the camp, so we did not plan on it, but we ended up taking them back to the camp for the party because they had a little going away thing, and they gave them little backpacks and they gave them cookies and stuff. So it was good because we were able to come finish packing up by like 10:30, 11 o'clock. You need to have all your luggage out the door so that they could pick your luggage up. You were gonna say?
No.
So me and my mom came back and we just packed up everything as quick as we can. And don't forget to leave out your underwear for Don't forget to leave out your underwear for tomorrow.
And then we have to go home tomorrow.
Oh, okay, yeah, that is correct. Okay, all right, you can say that. And that's about it. So the Carnival Fantasy, all in all, it's an oldie but goodie kind of boat. You know, it's the oldest ship in Carnival's cruise line. They keep it around because it still does pretty well. A lot of people still book it. Leaving out of Mobile is pretty nice and convenient to a lot of people, including people from Atlanta. The boat definitely is dated with a lot of things. I will say that. So if it's your first cruise, it's probably okay. If you're an experienced cruiser, it could probably bother you. I've cruised a good amount. My mother's cruised before, and it didn't bother us that much because our mentality is, you know, we're gonna have a good time. So if that's your mentality, you will have a good time.
Let's say the boat.
So we made it a good time because we chose to. We would prefer some of the nicer, newer amenities, but we got a really good deal. So we still got to go to Mexico. The girls still had a good time. I got toddlers who, as long as they get out the house and as long as they get to hit a beach, they'll have a good time. So that's what they did. Right? Did you have a good time?
Yes.
Royce, you had a good time?
It's too big.
A cookie brick.
Oh my goodness. Cookies completely crumbled.
I love breaking.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did.
So all in all, we had a good time. We'll be back. There's a lot of cruise ships. We probably will jump on a lot of them before we come back to the Fantasy. This was Rain's first boat, if you don't know, if you're new to the channel. This was her first cruise. She took the Carnival Fantasy like 3.5 years ago. So that's about it. So if you like this vlog, drop us a comment below. Leave us a like. Don't be afraid to hit the like button. We know some of you are afraid. And until the next vlog, hold it down girls, because mommy's not here. Until the next vlog, continue to live a rich
And Daddy.
life.